Hi, I'm Paul Solga, Ivy Masters Learning Center at IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at how you can most effectively use Ivy Masters Learning Center's YouTube channel. One thing you can do, this is on the home page, Ivy Masters Learning Center, you search that, and you'll see right down here, I shoot a video solution to a question each day. So one thing you could do is, let's say you go to the 1-minute video, and you just play the first second of it so you can see what the question is. You could try the question on your own, then play the rest of the video. See if you got it right or wrong. If you got it right, see if I did it some other way. If you got it wrong, let's say you still don't understand. Why is my wrong answer wrong? Then you could go to the longer video, and you could play that one, and it's going to show you not only why the correct answer is correct, but also why all the wrong answers are wrong. Second way you can use this channel. Colons, for example, are simply taught in high school typically as, use a colon before list. That's not a complete and accurate description of a colon's use. So let's say you used a colon before list that was marked wrong. You might want to search here under the magnifying glass, colons, and then you hit enter, and it'll show you all the videos where I teach colons. Now, some of these are for old format, paper and pencil SAT, and some of them are for digital SAT. But a colon is a colon is a colon. There's 4 exceptions to that rule that a colon is simply used before a list. And I go through all 4 of those in these YouTube videos. Third way you could use this, if you click on playlists, then you could go to the test and section number of whatever you're looking at. So let's say you did digital SAT practice test 1 module 2, the harder set of reading and writing. You can click on view full playlist, and now you just find the question that you had wrong. Let's say you had number 5 wrong. Go to number 5. You can see that for number 5, there's a 44-second video. You can just play that. If you understand it, fantastic. If not, just above it, number 5, is the longer playlist. The longer video, I should say. And when you play that video, you're going to see also why all the wrong answers are wrong and why all the right answers are right. So you've got those 1-minute videos for your convenience. So you don't have to spend all day like looking at videos. But the longer videos for any time you really want that explanation for, hey, why is my wrong answer wrong, which is really important as well. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with navigating the Ivy Masters YouTube channel. Is there any questions you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you soon. Have a great day.